In this video, let's talk about how to fix YouTube Premium not sharing. Welcome back everyone to this new video. Now, in most cases, why this happens is you do not have the family plan of YouTube. So even if you are subscribed to YouTube Premium and if you just got the individual plan, you would not be able to share your account with anyone else. Only if you have the family plan of YouTube, you'll be able to share your accounts with up to 6 members or with up to 6 accounts. So this may be the exact issue that you're facing. But however, if this is not the case for you, then you'll also need to ensure that you match the Google account country profile. For example, if your country and the person that you're trying to share your country has a different setting enabled within Google Pay, this may be the exact issue that you're facing. So make sure you switch your countries, whether you or the other person, to the same exact country so that the issue is automatically fixed. Now, if none of these solutions are working out for you, the last thing that you can try out is try to revoke and resend the member invitation. Simply revoke the member and resend the invitation. Sometimes doing this simple step alone, you should be able to solve this issue. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.